Hello, I am Nikita from Excel Tech Guru. Are you experiencing browsing issues constantly? Are your network devices running efficiently, but you can't open links or websites? If you have answered yes to any of the questions above, you are experiencing browsing issues. Pinpointing the problem isn't going to be easy, which is why you should acquire the online technical browser support services from Excel Tech Gurus. We deal in all kinds of browser issues, and with qualified and experienced IT technicians that can provide all types of browser support. With our tech experts at your side, you will have the right guidance for spyware and virus removal, software compatibility and PC optimization, as well as updating or installing the best browsers for your system. Our browser tech support experts will provide you with 24/7 expertise that includes Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox support, Google Chrome support, Internet Explorer support, Safari support, Opera support and more. At Excel Tech Guru we want to ensure that all our clients get exceptional browser support services, so that they can browse the internet without experiencing any issues. Visit our website www.exceltechguru.com or call us on our toll-free number 1-888-479-5919.